So welcome. Congratulations for being chosen to present for the 2025 International Convention of Alpha Delta Kappa. This is a video to show you how to update your bio as well as to go in and upload your presentation materials. Just as a reminder, you'll get a link that will take you to this page. Be sure you don't share the link with others because it would affect where your files are located. One other thing is if you are co-presenting or you have a big group of presenters, that link will only go to the primary presenter listed from when you applied to present. So a reminder as far as dates, remember that by Friday, February the 28th, your profile needs to be updated, which I will show you as we log in, and your materials will need to be uploaded by Friday, June 13th. An easy way to remember that is that will be Friday the 13th. So you click on the link to get to this page, you go to login. Even if you've logged in before, you'll still type your name and it will send you a code which you will enter here. And just a reminder that that is done every single time because for security you'll have to do this every time you go to log in to Cvent. Once you verify, it'll take you to your page, and because it is specific for the user, it will have your sessions already preloaded here. We're going to look at my profile first since that is what is due first, and again it's due by Friday, February the 28th. This is what everyone will see. Some things have already been uploaded. For example, I presented the last time, so my picture is already updated. You can say edit. My chapter is here, my email, and then you also have the opportunity to link to your Facebook page, LinkedIn, Twitter, if you do other social media accounts, Instagram, all of those are linkable here. So you can have the people that come to your session interact with you socially, which is really nice. So if any of that needs to be changed, you can say edit, and you'll notice here the things that you can change. You can add a title if you would like. You can also add a short biography. Any changes, don't forget at the bottom to hit save. And so that's that simple as far as what to do for your first profile change that's due Friday, February 28th. As far as files, they will go up under your sessions. So you can go ahead and check your session to make sure that it pulls up properly. I'm doing a recorded session. And so mine is called Unlocking the Magic of Artificial Intelligence. So it does allow you to do some small edits. Some of this may also be locked by the time that you are presenting. So these session titles have been a little long, so you may be asked to make yours a little bit shorter. And then you'll go into your tasks. So if you didn't save, Cvent, as you can see, will remind you that you need to be saving your work as you go. So it's reminding you here to do what we looked at first, to look at the speaker profile. So another way to get to this task is to do that. You can also register for the event. It's not live yet because registration is not opened at the time that I am making this screencast. And then here you click to upload presentation materials. So an important thing to notice here is as you are getting your presentation materials ready, again they're due Friday, June 13th, here are the accepted file formats. So they can be doc, which is of course a Word document. DocX is another type of Word document. It's more like a template. A PDF, of course, which if you don't have a PDF maker, you can always say file save as PDF instead of saying file print, and you can save PDF that way, even through Word. PPT is PowerPoint. PPTX is another type of PowerPoint file that's more of a template. Notice here the maximum file size is 250 megabytes. If you find that the file size is very large, let's say you have a lot of videos to show your participants or a lot of photos of something. If somehow your file size is too large, feel free to send an email to the organizer, or you can send it to me, dawn.m.hudson@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to help you find a way that you can compress the file to get it to the appropriate size for use. These files are extremely important because these files will be preloaded onto the laptops that will be at the presentation site. So when you go into that hotel room, the conference room, there will be a laptop ready for you and your presentation will be on that. So as you click Upload File, you will look for the location of your files. In my case, mine is sitting on my desktop and I have a fake presentation. So you'll see as I click here, it's slowly uploading the file. And we'll give that a moment to make sure that it's saved. Now, if you are really quick, and let's say your presentation is all ready and you turn it in a week before the deadline, and you make a change to that, notice here you can delete this and upload another file, like maybe you have revision of fake presentation. You can also double check the presentation. I would tell you for sure to do this because if there's a mistake, I have been one to make it. You click to download and make sure that is what you meant to attach. Now, if you turn this in at midnight on the day that it's due, it will be locked. You will not be able to change this. So if you do it early, then that gives you an opportunity to make changes as long as you realize the final version has to be there by Friday, June the 13th. And that is it. Thank you again for presenting.